Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I thought I would do something a little different. I have done my 30 and 30 for my perfume collection. That's how I've been showing most of it. But today I thought I'd show ones that won't probably show up in that series. And these are all like my travel perfumes, so things that can go in a purse or when you're traveling, because you can't really take full-size bottles with you. So a lot of Rollerballs, some like purse sprays, and then some solids as well. So I'm going to start with the solids. Let's see if we can get them all in here. These are my Harajuku ones. I think these are so darling, which is part of the reason why I wanted to get them, of course. And I should say also, this is not my full collection because I do have some that I've left at my parents' house, so I don't have all of my travel sprays with me or travel perfumes. This is Baby, and these are kind of cool. They flip open and then it is a solid. And I will be talking about these a lot. Then we have Love. Once again, her head swings open to reveal the scent. We have G, who is Gwen Stefani, Music, and Lil Angel, who is a little different because she does have the back of her head that is textured and stuff, because that's how the bigger bottle is. Then I got this little ring that I don't use as a ring, but it has a Hello Kitty scent in it. It's like a pinky ring on me because that's about the only finger that it will fit on. I wonder, does it say? It's a big pink bow is the scent that is in there. Then I have these little guys right here, which look like lip balm tins, but they're actually solid perfumes. And I have, these are all Juicy Coutures. I bought these as a set. This is really great. I took this when I went overseas because it didn't count towards my liquids at all. I have Viva La Juicy La Fleur, Couture La La, Viva La Juicy, which is my favorite scent, and then just plain old Juicy Couture. So those are kind of like the odd or different types of perfumes. And then the other ones I have with me are in this little bag. I do keep them usually in something like this. I did find some extras, so I've added to them. This one is really cool. This is Viva La Juicy, and it is a stick. It looks like a lip balm that you can just roll on. It is a solid, so this one is less messy than those little pots. Then we got this one. I can't remember what this. It's just Hello Kitty Eau de Perfume. It's just a little spray. Never mind, it's a rollerball. That's a screw. You can tell I don't use this one. This one I just thought was super cute, with all its little crystals and the little Hello Kitty on the top. One of them that I have that's not really, it doesn't have a specific scent in it. This, oh my gosh, what does this have? This has Viva La Juicy. I think this must have the Parfum. Yeah, because it's more intense. So I got this at Dillard's. I went when they were having some type of special, and you got this free with any purchase. You got also your like little gift for the brand itself, but then they filled this with whatever perfume you wanted from their own stock, so you got like extra bit of perfume. So I do keep that. I haven't really traveled with it for a while though. Then we have English Laundry. I really like these. These were a set that I got at Macy's. This is Perfume. There's some other ones I know in there too. I just got this one. I just talked about it in my Ipsy bag for February. It is Kenzie Life Beat. It's very sweet, nice scent. You're gonna see this scent a lot, and the ones that I have at my parents' house, like I have a couple of these too. Viva La Juicy. This is just a quite large one. That's just itself. I do have ones that are dual-sided too. And then I have two of these. This is how I started with my Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy scent. This one does have quite a bit. This one I think I am going to try to finish up because it has just a little itty bit left. So that's going in my one of the things that I want to finish this year. This is another bottle of the Parfum by English Laundry. This came in one of my subscription boxes. I don't remember which one though. We have a couple from Nest. I got these as a set for Black Friday a year or two ago. We have Midnight Fleur and Indigo. I love the packaging on these. They're based on an 18th century woman who did all of this crazy floral art that she cut. And like when you think about it, like that, they're amazing. You should look her up, like 18th century paper flower art. You should be able to find her. Or if you look up, I think Nest talks about her too on their website. English Laundry Notting Hill Femme. Then, oh, we lost a lid. Oh, here we go. This is a Bath and Body Works. This is for Ever Red. Why don't you want to stay on that? There we go. I haven't used this one much. I did have another one that I gave my cousin's girls, which was kind of because they really liked the scent. So I was like, here, you can have that. We got some clean ones next. We have Warm Cotton, Rain. They look very similar. For a second I thought I had duplicates. Skin and Air. They're nice and you can layer and mix those together. This one I have in here, but I don't really know where to put it. It's a rollerball that is supposed to help with stress. So it's stress check, breathe in, and you put it on pulse points and breathe. Why doesn't it want to read? It's so bright. And that the writing is just not showing up. I'm sorry. So I don't really know where to classify it, so it just goes in here. Clinique Happy. I love Clinique Happy. It's a great scent. It's one I should probably get in a regular bottle. English Laundry, another one. This is number 7. From Vera Wang. I think I have a couple of these. This is Rock Princess. That is not my favorite, I can tell you that. Yes, here's another. Nope, this is not. This is Taylor Swift, Wonderstruck. This is a delightful scent. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And I get lots of compliments when I wear it, and then people are always like, what are you wearing? And I'm like, Taylor Swift. And they're like, don't tell people that. Especially in the collegiate world. We have Marc Jacobs Divine Decadence. Pacifica Indian Coconut Nectar. This is one of those two-sided. We have Couture La La Malibu and Juicy Couture Malibu on that one. Those are really nice. I like the Malibu sets a lot. Couple more of the princesses. I knew I had them. We have Preppy Princess and just regular old princess. Then here's another Nest. I thought there was 3 of them. This is Dahlia and Vines. This one, so kind of like with the one I talked about at Dillard's, and I got a special one that was extra perfume, like a sprayer. This one was the same. This is I Heart Juicy Couture. This one came with Macy's, so it is a perfume that you can refill the bottle with, so that's kind of cool. So I do have that one as well. And then the final one, this came in an Ulta set, and this has Peace, Love, and Juicy in it. I need to figure out a way to rinse them out afterwards because I don't want to keep this scent because it's pretty overpowering. But this is from Ulta, and with this one and like the first one I showed, you take off the lid of your spray bottle and you stick it and you just pump it and it pulls the perfume up into it. I have red on me for some reason. Anyway, so I have that one, and then the final one is just, it's not really a sample size, but it's not a full rollerball size, but it is Victor and Ralph Flower Bomb. So those are all of my travel perfumes, lots of different varieties. Well, they're not all of them either. I totally just lied. Anyway, let me know what travel scents you have. Do you have more rollerballs or more full-size perfumes? What do you tend to gravitate? What makes your decision between the two? I would love to know. I hope you are all having a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.